Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 3rd to the 7th of February 2025 on Monday. Kapsela's confession lead to a tragic consequences. Lwazi gives Maximba a piece of his mind, and Sibusiso is excited about new beginnings on Tuesday. A sudden death shakes the Mthembu family just as they are desperately trying to learn the location of Mzobe's grave. Mzobe speaks over her unconscious husband, praying hard that he forget what he was told. Meanwhile, Sibusiso confesses to an elder that his heart has been stolen on Wednesday. Skhumba's anger drives him to hail a serious accusation against Mabusi and Siphamandla. Lwazi has some questions that Kapseli cannot bring herself to answer on Thursday. Mabusi makes an accusation of attempted murder. Council thinks there is a foul play in Differ stabbing. Lwazi pines for a lost love. Maximba suggests he makes lemonade from lemon on Friday. Mam Zobe's deadly secret about Mthembu comes back to haunt her. Skhumba delivers a chilling warning to Manzimande and Siphamandla. Meanwhile, Lwazi brings thoughtful gift to a pregnant young lady to uplift her spirits. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.